But I do have a lot. When you get to the technical questions, okay, very good. I'll be able to speak about some other issues as well. Let's see. Okay, very good. This is a map of the lower 48 states showing the seismic hazards. And, you know, most of them are over here out in California along the plate boundary. But we have had earthquakes and we have seismic risks in the middle of the country. The biggest earthquakes happened about 200 years ago. The biggest earthquakes in the lower 48 happened about 200 years ago in the New Madrid region. It actually turned the direction of flow of the Mississippi River for a short time. So we have had cases like that. And in fact, this structure here that's resulting in these earthquakes is responsible for this little green bullseye in Anna, Ohio, which is the seismic capital of Ohio. It's related to that. But I think now we can lay claim to the induced seismicity capital of Ohio. And I'm a bit of a jumpster. So what's happened is, you know, here's the site on, we're going to just look at a series of images. This is where the location of the injection well. And of course, we've had a dozen earthquakes. And this is just showing you where the epicenters are. We had 2 on March 17th. I felt the first one. I was up that early in the morning on St. Patrick's Day. I felt it. I went immediately to the USGS site, but I started looking for earthquakes bigger than magnitude 3. I didn't think it was in Youngstown. I thought it was further away, and for what I felt, I thought it was a bigger earthquake far away. I was surprised that we had one so close, and I didn't know about, you know, the injection well at the time. It took a while, and this is just showing you where and these are based on the USGS, but I'm going to address that in a second. And it's showing where the epicenters are, the points on the surface above the focus. And so we start getting them. And this one here, December 24th, this was the first earthquake after the team from Lamont Doherty Geological Observatory at Columbia University came and set up 4 remote seismic stations to pay closer attention and get a better data to pinpoint these. One of our geology students is working with them on this project. And then, of course, the big one on December 31st, and according to Columbia, it was at the same place. And then we had another one on January 13th. That one was the first one that was picked up. We have a new, and I'll talk a little bit more about it later, we have a new seismic station at YSU that's online. And I'll give you the website later, but you can actually go and monitor. If you think you felt something, you can go and check that one out.